Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina. I'd love it so much if you would subscribe. Hey, my partner Jacob and I are going to try different holiday foods.
So they have these. We have winter mint ding dongs or mint chocolate Twinkies.
Neither one of these sound great to me, so grab whichever one.
How do you know?
I don't like mint, like much at all.
Yeah, this has minty cream. These are both minty.
Yeah.
Okay. This is all cooking stuff, but ooh, cinnamon sugar pecans. I bet those just taste yummy. There's coffee, but we don't drink coffee. This is all like baking stuff, but.
Two options on cereal. We've got Sugar Cookie Toast Crunch, or we've got Elf on a Shelf, the Christmas tradition sugar cookie cereal. I think they're going to be roughly the same. That being said, I think this one's more Christmas. I have a whole new respect for Sabrina. Vlogging in public is very awkward and very odd. I have a thought. I'm going to try to convince Sabrina. It's her channel, but if we can put one of these together as a team and see if it turns out looking good. All right, so we've got the cereal. We've got the fruitcake, which is, yeah, that's about as expected. We've got chocolate-covered cherries, cordial cherries. We've got the eggnog. And then we've got, this is something we saw rolling around, the eggnog cake rolls, which are like the strawberry shortcake rolls, but I'm assuming eggnog flavored, which will be hopefully great.
Okay guys, as you saw, we went to Walmart. We didn't get a lot of stuff because, quite frankly, I don't want to spend a lot of money and try things that we don't like. So this idea came to me because we got this in the mail. Not in the mail. We got it when we did grocery pickup. It's a cinnamon Coca-Cola, and I thought it would be so cool for us to taste holiday flavored items on camera. So I asked on Instagram what you guys wanted us to try. I got a couple of things that we had tried before, so we're not going to do those, but we are trying things that we've never had before. So I think Jacob showed you in the intro to this what we have, so we're just going to start going down the list of things that we're going to try. Jacob says he's most excited about these eggnog cakes, so I think we're going to try those first. Per usual, my cat Arthur, yep, him, he hasn't been fed wet food today, and he thinks that it's time, so he's going to be meowing and trying to get on us a lot throughout this, but it's not time for him to get fed. We're gonna just split these in half and see what we think.
Well, it's a little heavy. I don't expect it to smell bad. Taste.
It reminds me, the way it looks is
the strawberry shortcake one.
yeah,
that's what it is. It's just different flavor.
Those were my jam. Don't eat it yet. I think it smells good. Okay, count of 3. 1, 2, 3. I'd eat another bite. Has a cinnamony.
Mm-hmm. I don't mind it at all.
My cat right now is in the background, just triggered a memory for me. In those clips in Walmart, there was a kid that was kind of having a meltdown, so you're gonna hear him in the background, and now you're gonna hear my cat in the background, so I apologize.
I'd give it, what's our rating system?
Out of 10.
Out of 10? 10 bells? 10 jingle bells?
Sure, if you want to.
It's holiday. Let's do jingle bells. I'd give it like a solid 7.
I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I didn't think
a lot better than I thought it'd be.
Yeah. Another one that we got recommended was eggnog. One of my Instagram followers said she loves eggnog. Her name's Nicole, and she suggested that we try it because I told her that I never had it before. I just always felt like eggnog was gross.
Yeah, I don't know. Does it smell like the cake we kind of just had?
No, it smells like a bad night of alcohol.
Oh, okay.
Is there alcohol in eggnog?
I don't think so. I mean, we didn't get carded or anything. I mean, you can spike the eggnog, I know that. But...
Okay, so we're just gonna pour. Oh!
That's chunky.
It's thick! Look, I don't know if you're gonna be able... Oh! Arthur, you like it thick?
You don't need any eggnog, buddy. It's like bad milk.
Oh, I don't think I'm gonna like this. I'm gonna get my Dr. Pepper ready just to be safe, because...
Do we have a spit bag just in case or something?
Okay, so this is our eggnog. Woo, buddy, it does, Cheers. how it smells at all.
No, I don't know how I feel about that. It's a good consistency.
This is a trick.
Yeah, I'm not going back for a second one on that one.
She's definitely sick.
Wow.
I don't hate it. The smell really throws me off, but
4 for me.
yeah, I wouldn't do it again. Sorry, Nicole.
Next on the list is a holiday staple that I can't believe
Is a staple?
Is a staple. Obviously, we've never ate it because I don't think anyone actually eats this. I think this is more of just a decoration you put around your house. It's a fruitcake. So, time to open the noisiest package in the world.
It looks like plastic. It is shiny. How's it smell? Bad. Oh no! No! Oh, it's bad.
Oh, that's...
It's real bad.
Look at trying to peel it. Just peeling this off. Just... It's...
Oh!
It's already got Arthur hair on it somehow.
He says, gotta make it mine.
Oh, that's gonna be so bad.
Gotta make
Oh,
it.
I don't even know how we're gonna take a bite of this.
Oh, it's like sticky.
It's like gooey and sticky.
Arthur,
As we're
you
peeling this
excited?
side back. I'm just gonna peel this side back because I feel like we can get to like the non-gooey part, right? To like kind of get a chunk, maybe. I don't know. Here.
Oh Lord.
Oh, it's very tough. This is very tough. Oh, I don't want this much. Oh Lord, that's more than I thought I'd grab. Okay, here we'll split this.
Oh no, I ain't splitting that.
No, we're gonna cut it in half, and then you take the other half.
I'm taking the tiniest bite.
Okay.
That's what I want.
That's what you want? Okay. You want this like cherry thing?
Nope.
Okay, I'm just gonna take a bite out of this. Arthur, you don't want this either, buddy. Trust me.
He's like,
Oh man, do people like this?
do people, okay, leave a comment below letting me know if you actually eat fruitcake. This was sent in as a request, but it
This was,
had
like,
a laughing,
the most requested too.
and eggnog. But it had a laughing emoji behind it, so I don't know if someone's setting me up for failure. But, okay, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's rough. Oh,
I'm so sorry if you're listening with headphones. Don't. 0, like negative.
oh, okay. Here's the thing. It's technically edible. I'd give it like a 1. Dear Lord. Oh.
And that thing was expensive. It was $10 for that garbage.
Yeah, which means people eat this and pay money for it. Like we pay money for this.
I wouldn't even feed that to the stray animals. Woo!
Yeah,
That's getting thrown
we'll store
over.
that for next year, I guess.
Probably gonna be the same.
Next on the list is something that I'm fairly certain, if not my dad, a relative eats these. Chocolate covered cherries. We got milk chocolate because that's probably going to be the most palatable out of all of them. Still super kind of shell shocked from the fruitcake, so anything's probably better.
This is
Okay.
I'm not eating the whole thing. I'm just taking a bite out of it.
I'm just going to eat probably half, like just bite.
I don't want the cherry. I know that's the point, but
Well, you got to get them both in there.
okay.
You want the bag?
No, I do not want that fruitcake around me.
You sure? It smells exactly how you remember.
Yeah, I am traumatized.
Okay, ready?
Yep, 2, 3. Oh, it turned.
But I couldn't tell you that the reason I like this more is because the fruitcake was so bad. But this reminds me of like
Childhood.
yeah, like grandma had them, and that's the
I'm pretty sure that my dad eats.
What would dad's eating these?
I don't like them.
I'd give those a solid like 8.
They're not rating so high for me. Like a 3. So the next thing, like I said, was sent to us. It's like a gift bag that we got from our grocery pickup. If you guys don't do grocery pickup and you have it available in your area, do it. It's incredible. Basically, you order your groceries online and they bring it out to your car. And it's really nice for me because I'm in a chair, so I don't have to get out and shop. Like, other than today, we went to Walmart the other day, but we went to Walmart like physically in store more than I have in several months. Like, I never go into Walmart.
Yeah, but we've been gone because it's the holidays.
Let's take a smell of it. So this is cinnamon Coca-Cola.
It smells just like Coke.
It smells, yeah. Do you want to try first?
I don't like cinnamon, so I can already kind of tell you what my attempt's going to be. Cinnamony, don't tell me. Don't keep it to yourself.
It doesn't have...
Tastes kind of like a flat Coke. Like, I drank more of it. Like, it's got carbonation, but it tastes flat.
Yeah, I don't taste the cinnamon to that at all. It just tastes,
I did there.
You did? Mm-hmm. What'd you thought?
It's not overpowering to the point. It tastes like a regular Coke, but then like after you take the drink, if you let it sit in your mouth for just a second, it's like just straight up cinnamon. It's like if you were chasing a fireball shot or something.
Because we all know what that's like.
Last but not least, one I'm pretty sure we're gonna like. I like gimmicky cereals, so we saw that.
Jacob tells me that he is a breakfast connoisseur, a cereal connoisseur, and I want to do something where we blindfold him and have him do the name brand versus generic and see if he can pass, because he swears that he can and I don't think that he can.
Oh, I think I can.
But we've been watching a lot of A Good Mythical Morning, and they do a lot of stuff like this, and it's been really interesting for the both of us, so I want to test Jacob's cereal connoisseurness out. So we're not putting these in milk because we forgot to bring the milk and
syrup. Well, this is the ultimate taste.
This is the awesomeness.
Elf on the Shelf ultimate cereal taste test. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah.
Very good. So we're gonna end this video off with the highs and the lows. So I want you to do your high rated item and your low rated item, and the one that surprised you the most.
My highest rated was those cordial cherries.
Okay.
Like those a lot. Lowest rated is obviously the fruitcake. The one that surprised me the most was honestly the cinnamon Coke.
Interesting. I figured we would have the same ones. So my highest, I think I'm gonna go with the cereal, just because it's a safe bet. My lowest is obviously the fruitcake because it tastes like butthole. My most surprising, I'm gonna go with the eggnog items. The eggnog itself and the eggnog Little Debbie's, I didn't expect to like at all, and I actually don't hate them as much as I thought I would.
Yeah, I could eat the Little Debbie.
I could eat the Little Debbie for sure too.
Yeah, like that's definitely okay. The drink, if that's all we had in the house and like our water was shut off for some reason, sure.
Let us know in the comments below if you guys have tried any of these items and what you thought of them, and if you want me to do a taste test for Jacob of name brand versus generic cereals, let me know that in the comment below. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video and enjoyed Jacob taking over the vlog for a little bit. He was very nervous to vlog in public, so give him a thumbs up for that. Have anything you want to say before we go?
Nope.
Alright, thanks guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!